Good morning students, welcome back to the English channel Prime. Students, in the last class we have completed chapter 3 of geography for grade 7, Our Changing Earth. We have also done a project on the agents of gradation. Now in this session, let's start doing the exercises. So all of you open page number 133. Let's start with the first main objective type questions. A. MCQs. The plates forming the Earth's crust are called as, yes, it is called as lithosphere. Plates. Second, the force causing tectonic movements on the Earth's surface is called, yes, it is called as exogenic force. Third, Mount Vesuvius is an example of which type of volcanoes? Yes, it is a dormant volcano. Fourth, earthquakes are caused due to the dash B. Yes, it is option A. Movement given in the tectonics and fill in the blanks. First question: volcanoes which do not have the possibility of eruption are called as, yes, it is called as extinct volcanoes. Second, Mount Etna is an example of an dash volcano. Yes, it is an active volcano. Third question, in an earthquake, the maximum damage is always near the dash epicenter. Fourth, a triangular shaped feature formed at the mouth of a river is called as, yes, it is called delta. Done, children? Next, C, match the following. Column A. Yes, first, glaciers, it can be connected to U-shaped valley. Second, delta is the mouth of a river. Third, cliffs at the vertical wall of a rock. Fourth, mushroom rocks are because of the wind actions. Fifth, estuaries are the single mouth entry is called. Done, children? Now next, D, state whether the following statements are true or false. First question, the movement of lithospheric plates causes volcanic eruptions. Is it? No, it is false. Second, features on the Earth's surface are formed by endogenic movements. Is it? No, it is because of the exogenic forces. False. Third, waterfalls are a hindrance in the generation of hydroelectricity. Yes? No, children, it is false. Fourth, mushroom rocks are found in the cold desert of Ladakh. No, it is false. Fifth question, the process of withering causes breaking down of minerals. Yes, it is true. Now let's do second main, very short answer question. First question, define endogenic forces, B, exogenic forces, C, lithospheric plates. So first one, let's write down A, the endogenic forces. These are the forces which act in the interior of the earth, leading to earthquakes, etc. Done. Second, exogenic forces work on the surface of the earth. Their effect is visible in the form of erosional and dispositional features of the wind, water and ice. C, lithospheric plates. The crust of the earth is broken into a number of large and small plates known as the lithospheric plates. Second question, what is volcano? What are its types? Answer, a volcano is an opening in the earth's crust through which molten magma or lava erupts. There are three types of volcanoes. First is active volcanoes, that is example Mount Etna. Second, dormant volcanoes like Mount Vesuvius. Third, extinct or the dead volcanoes like Mount Kilimanjaro. Done, children? These are short, very short answer questions. We can give the answers in one sentence. Fourth question, third question, what do the terms focus and epicenter mean? Focus, the point from where the earthquake originates inside the earth's crust is called the focus. Epicenter, the point on the earth's surface just above the focus is called as the epicenter. Fourth question, which movements result in the volcanic eruptions and earthquakes? Answer, movements of the lithospheric plates result in the volcanic eruptions and the earthquakes. Done. Fifth question, What are the features formed by these volcanic eruptions? The features formed are crater, cone-shaped, hill or plateau, etc. Sixth question, mention the major agents of gradations. The features, the major agents of gradation are running water, moving ice, wind and the waves. Done. Seventh question, what are meanders? Answer, as the river enters the plains, it forms curves and large bends or loops called as the meanders. Eighth question, what are backons? Yes, you can write the answer. A crescent-shaped sand dune is called a backon. Next, ninth one, define the term aggradation. Answer, aggradation is the natural process of deposition of materials by the forces of nature. 10th question, is there any active volcano in India? If yes, name it. Yes, the barren island in Andaman and Nicobar Island is an active volcano in India. Done. Let's do the third main short answer questions. First question, what makes the earth to undergo changes? Answer, the slow movement of lithospheric plates results in the formation of mountains, while sudden ones cause the earthquakes and the volcanic eruptions. These processes make the earth to undergo changes. Second question, how does the process of gradation create various landforms? Answer, the surface of the earth is continuously undergoing changes. The process of reduction of height of landform is called degradation, while the process of depositing the eroded fragments is called the aggradation. Both these ways are continuously at work creating different landforms on the earth's surface. Done. Third question, what do you mean by erosion? What are the main agents of erosion? Answer, the removal of outer layers of the rocks in the natural environment is called erosion. Wind, water or ice, downslope, creep of soil, force of gravity and burrowing animals are the main agents of erosion. Done. Fourth question, how does wind action result in the formation of different features in the desert? Answer, wind is the most active agent of erosion in desert areas. It erodes and carries the sand particles and deposits them at another place, resulting in the formation of different features like the mushroom rocks and the sand dunes. Fifth question, what makes the plains so fertile? Answer, the silt carried by the rivers is spread all along its course in the plains during flood. As a result, the flood plains are so fertile. Sixth question, name the different types of volcanoes. Give examples for each. Answer, there are three types of volcanoes. Extinct volcano, example Mount Kilimanjaro. Second, dormant volcano, Mount Vesuvius. Active volcano, Mount Etna. Done, children? Now let's start with the fourth main long answer questions. First question, give a detailed account of the features formed by wind, waves and ice. Answer, wind action can best be seen in the desert areas. Features like the sand dunes and the mushroom rocks are formed due to the wind action. Second, work of waves can best be seen in the coastal areas. Features like the sea cliffs, sea arcs, stacks, storms and beaches are formed due to the action of the waves. Similarly, glaciers or the rivers of ice can modify and even completely change the landscape. The erosion work of ice results in the formation of U-shaped valleys. As the ice melts, the hollows created by the glaciers get filled with water, forming the lakes. The big and small rock pieces, silt and sand get deposited due to the slow movement of the glaciers. These deposits are called as the glacier mountains. Done. Now second question. What are tectonic plates? Why do they cause tremors? Answer. The 7 plates into which the Earth's crust is broken are called as the tectonic plates. They cause tremors because they keep on moving and their vibrations travel outwards from the epicenter in all the directions, causing vast damage at times. Next, third question. How are the features formed by a river different from that formed by a river of ice? Answer. The main features formed by a river include gorges, waterfalls, meanders, oxbow lakes, floodplains, and deltas. The river of ice or glacier forms deep U-shaped valleys and the moraines. The work of rivers includes both erosion and dispositional activities on a large scale across its course. The valley formed is a V-shaped valley which is not very deep. The glacier, which originates from high mountain areas, causes deep erosional activity resulting in the formation of U-shaped valleys which are steep and deep. Its dispositional features include small rock pieces and silt which are called the glacier moraines. Fourth question. Why do the rivers form distributories at the mouth? Answer. The rivers flow gradually at the mouth, leaving the sediments in her way before meeting the sea. These sediments choke the mouth of the river, forcing it to split into hundreds of smaller channels or distributories. Done. Next, fifth question. Why are the deltas so fertile? Answer. Deltas are the most fertile areas in the course of the river because here the river deposits the silt that it has eroded through its course. The soil here has a lot of humus and moisture. Next, sixth, name the erosional and depositional features found in coastal areas. Explain how they are formed. Answer. In coastal areas, the main features formed due to the work of waves are the cliffs, arcs, and the beaches. The features are both erosional and depositional. The cliff is an important erosional feature which is formed by the strong waves striking against the rocks. The depositional action of the waves results in forming the beaches which are deposits of sand, gravel and the pebbles brought down by the waves. Done, children? Next, fifth main, give reasons. First question, wind action is prominent in desert areas. Why? Yes, answer. Wind action is a prominent in desert areas as the climate is dry and there is very little vegetation to challenge the speed of the wind. Second question, dormant volcanoes are not safe. Why? Answer, they are not safe because of the uncertainty involved in their eruption. They can erupt any time causing vast damage. Third question, meanders are formed by the rivers in the plains. Why? Answer, plains are the natural places for rivers to dissipate their energy. They help slow down the flow of water of the rivers, thereby giving space for meanders. Question 4. Sand dunes are found in the desert and not in the plains. Why? Answer, sand dunes are found in the desert and not in the plain because they are hills of sand and sand is found abundantly in a desert than in a plain. Done, children? Hope all of you understand. Thank you.